what can happen if you wait too long to contact a Maryland medical malpractice attorney about a possible claim. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about, a serious issue that can come up when individuals wait too long to try to contact a medical malpractice attorney about an injury that has occurred to them. Now, how I see this a lot of times is I have an individual who will contact me, they call my office or send me an email, and they will document in great detail in a lot of instances what has happened to them. And they'll make a statement like, I knew kind of early on that something was wrong, but I was listening to the doctor, or I thought things would get better, and as time went on things didn't get better, and now what are my options? Maryland law says that you have a specific amount of time that you must bring or file your medical malpractice case. And this is a serious issue with some individuals, because what will happen is they will contact an attorney as their statute of limitations is running out. And then they're up in arms because it doesn't seem like no one will help them. And the reason this is the case is because with these types of cases, remember, and I've talked about this in previous videos, and this information is also on my website, remember that to prove a medical malpractice case in the state of Maryland, you need medical experts. And these medical experts have to be able to review the medical records. They have to be able to look at everything, and they have to give an opinion as to whether your treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you. And by falling below that standard of care, this is what caused the damages or your injury, or the harm done to you. You have got to have that in place. And this process can take time. It can take time to find the right doctor or to review all the records and to be able to put the case together or do the proper investigation to be able to move the case forward. So when you contact an attorney and that clock is about to run out, it may be hard to get a medical malpractice attorney to help you out, just because they will not have enough time to get the investigation done or get the doctors on board to get that standard of care or get that causation opinion to be able to see if they can move forward with your case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm helping you get insight into this medical malpractice process in the state of Maryland. I'm helping you to understand that ultimately it is your decision as to when you would like to speak with a medical malpractice attorney, or if you would like to go forward with a case like this. Ultimately, it is your call, but I'm trying to help you understand that if you want to take the waiting game or the wait and see approach, that you have to be mindful that there is a clock in the background that is essentially ticking. If you have more questions about your situation, if you would like to speak with me further about maybe an injury that you have suffered, or maybe your baby has suffered a brain injury or some type of injury at birth, and you have questions about what your child is going to be dealing with in the future, if you have this type of thing going on, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if it's a birth-related issue, you can reach me toll-free at 1-833-4BABY-HELP. Remember, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland birth injury and medical malpractice, wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here at Boston Law Group, LLC in the state of Maryland. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.